Explore the wonderful taste of Galveston. Galveston Strand District offers a cornucopia of food choices. We have selected 10 places for you to experience. Taste of the Strand has several food tour options for food lovers of all kinds. Cruise ship Foodie excursion worth an afternoon day trip. Go on a tour of Galveston Strand District. We are Texas' largest food tour with the most tasting stops. One-day booking required. Call 409-599-5425. Texas Gulf Coast unique food experience in the Strand District. Galveston food tour for a taste of our local flavors. Enjoy your day in port, pre, post or mid-journey. Don't miss out. Call in your reservation. Call 409-599-5425.